I did explain several times, I believe, to council that no elections were budgeted for this fiscal year.
So what happens?
We take it out of the reserve. We would fund it out of our unfunded balance.
And it would either be, we're looking at anywhere from, if Mr. Chacon handles it for us, about $200,000 versus if we hold it ourselves, about $800,000.
Correct.
And that's coming out of the reserve.
And that would be calling somebody in to actually conduct it. The municipal clerk would actually function as the elections officer for this. She would hire the resources, hire the volunteers, establish all the protocols. We can work with Mr. Chacon on that, but the big cost is we don't have the equipment, so we would have to rent it. And if it's available and we can get it in by the 14th, then we can call it regardless of whether or not we do it or they do it.
Given the magnitude of this issue and given the time constraints, is there a way that we could possibly look into postponing our meeting so that all of us can participate in this very important issue?
Well, I think the reality is this. The council is legally obligated to call for the election. So whether it's all of the council or some of the council, you have to call for the election. I think next week, based on what I'm hearing from the city attorney and staff, is that we should know next week whether or not there's going to be a primary on the 3rd or not, which will then dictate who would actually conduct the election. But if you want to call for the election on the 14th, regardless of who conducts it, we will mobilize to make sure that we're in a position to handle it ourselves, if contingent upon the fact we can get the resources here physically to do it. And so I've asked Ms. Munson after today's meeting to initiate contact immediately to see what it would, to assure that we can secure the equipment necessary to allow us to conduct this on our own if we need to.
How much is in our reserves right now?
Probably about 20 million, 21 million.
And what would we do to replace that going forward?
We would not. I mean, we would not automatically replace it. That's why you have an unfunded reserve as for these types of emergencies or contingencies. I mean, typically when we wrap up a fiscal year, very seldom do we not end in the black. I mean, we've been pretty careful about balancing the budget. There's usually a little bit of monies that whatever's left over when you close the books, it goes back into the reserve